Kinematics. A particle moves in a straight line. The acceleration is 36 minus 60. The velocity is 27 when time equals 2. Find t when at instantaneous rest. Instantaneous rest means the velocity is 0. To find the velocity function, we integrate the acceleration function. So we integrate the a. This is what we integrate here. The integral is 3060 minus 3t squared after we integrate. Don't forget the constant of integration. Since we know that the v is 27 when the time is 2, we can find the value of c. So this is the velocity function, and we can solve instantaneous rest. V equals 0. So now we solve velocity equals 0. We divide by minus 3, so we have positive t squared, and then we can factorize. We have two answers here, two solutions. Find the total distance travels during the first 12 seconds. So first of all, we have the velocity function, so it's a quadratic, and -3 means the graph opens downwards. So this is the sketch of the quadratic, and we need to find the area under the graph from 0 to 12. So for this area, we're gonna get something negative from the integration from 0 to 1. For this area, we're gonna get something negative from 1 to 11. I mean, this is positive. Okay, so this is negative, positive, negative. Okay, that's what we're gonna get from the integration. So to find the distance traveled, we need to split the integration from 0 to 1. We multiply by negative because, again, from the integration we're gonna get something negative. The total distance means we want this to be positive, so we multiply by minus, and this is also positive. This is negative, so that's why we use minus. So we integrate, and then we plug in 1, plug in 0, subtract, plug in 11, plug in 1, subtract, and so on here. 12, 11, subtract. So if we simplify, minus s of 1 plus s of 0 plus s of 11 plus s of minus 1 minus s of 12 plus s of 11. So we have s of 0 minus s of 1 minus s of 1, so that's going to be minus 2 s of 1, and we still have 2s of 11 from here, and then minus s of 12. So to find the s, we just integrate. So the integral of v with respect to t, so this is what we integrate, the velocity function. So the integral is, from here we have minus t cubed, from here we have 18t squared, from here we have minus 33t. For the s of 0, we plug in 0, we get 0. For 1, we get this, and 11 and 12. Actually, this is 12, not 11. So now we plug in everything. For the s of 0, this is 0. S of 1 minus 16. 484, 464, you use a calculator. The final answer is 532 meters. All right, I'll see you again next time.